As a human, Homo sapiens live long enough. It doesn't mean the age, it means when we appear. We know a lot of species no matter we have or haven't saw them. Dodo, penguin, well, not you, I mean the great auk in Arctic. So, how about the history that any of us has not appeared yet? Let's way back to the history. No, we won't talk about enemies. We are going to talk about some real science. Or maybe you can call it paleontology. Dinosaurs? Nah, they're too young. Placodon? Still too young. Wait, stop there. The Edicoran. That's it. Look at that. That's so cute. Well, actually, that's the first organism in our world. Circular, flat, and slow. That's Dickinsonia, a weirdo who lives in Edicoran more than 550 million years ago.
Don't call me weirdo.
Well, that's right. Everyone living at the current looks weird. Check this out.
Yes, we are all weirdos.
I know you guys kinda want to know what Dickinsonia eat. Is it herbivore or carnivore? Or maybe it's just omnivore? I got a bad news for you. No one knows that. All we know is that it's so lazy to eat or move. It just made its surface area become larger just like a pizza. Some scientists believe that it uses gaps on its body to eat. Anyway, Dickinsonia is the most typical animal from Edicoran. By the way, there are a lot of fossils of it in Australia. So next time when you go to the museum, please remember to have a look. Look, we are in Cambrian right now. We finally get some 3D creatures. Wait a minute, why is still that weird? It looks like a Play-Doh with two sticks. In addition, its name is from a Latin word means wandering of the mind. Well, actually, it's one of the mystery in paleontology. At first, the scientists who found this creature recovered it wrongly. They thought the sole on its back is its feet. After that, a lot of scientists be misled by this. Because of this, people put hallucinogenia in lobopodia, which means ancient animals that have feet. Scientists made a lot of hypotheses of what they eat, but none of them make sense. So it's still a mystery. If you study on paleontology, you have a chance to guess what they eat like the scientists before us. I guess that after introducing Dickinsonia and hallucinogenia, you was like, come on, can you just talk about some famous animal like dinosaurs or something? Here goes. An opabinia. You may like, what the hell? It's not famous at all. Look at its eyes. It has 5 eyes just like a spider. That's why I told you all ancient animals are weird. It's very small as a carnivore, only 4 to 7 centimeters long. But it had hand to grab food like us, even though it only swimming in the deep sea and try to find something that good to eat. In some articles, opabinia was been lovingly called drunk man. While swimming, it need to mind the tact of the real king of the sea, Anomalocris, which means weird shrimp. This kind of creature is a real carnivore. They almost eat everything, such as plankton and mollusks. Walls mention Anomalocris eat trilobite is likely impossible due to the structure of their mouths. While other species are making themselves more horrible, trilobites chose an inversely different way, growing bigger. Therefore, when others go hunting, trilobites can only stay on the sand. This doesn't mean they don't eat other creatures. Actually, they eat most of animals that's smaller than them. Because they don't have weapon to catch their prey, the only thing they can do is swallow it. By keeping eating, they finally became the most famous animal in Cambrian. So if you open a shopping website and search fossil, the most likely results are fossil of trilobites. Unlike those cool creatures that I introduced in this video, some of ancient animal we have never found. And some of problems may cannot be solved forever, but there are still so many possibilities. If you like this video, just on your way, discover more information of paleontology. Okay guys, this is the end of video. I hope you enjoy it. See ya!